Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the data tag, so which links the given content to machine readable translation. So why it's used for? Think about that. Your JavaScript engine need to learn about a data value inside his. So how he gonna do that? So for that we give a reference value, which is data has a attribute called value, and by that you can change into a machine readable format. So let me show you a great example. I think it would be the best example. So first remove these things and just type what we call fruits. Now what I'm gonna do, use the UL, unordered list, and inside that we need three allies, so into 3. What the heck, why it's sometimes it's not working? Yeah, okay. Now what we need to do is data. First just give what we call fruits names, something like apple, mango, not mango db, mango db, and the last something like orange. And now to understand by JavaScript engines how it gonna understand those things. So for that we have the data value. So first type data and just give a value something like 21053. In that way, if you selecting anything, your JavaScript engine will be understand what it is. So APPLA. Now cut this, just type again data and use the value attribute equals now 21054, and inside that just put it, and again cut data tab, use the value attribute, it would be equals to 21055, and just paste it. When you do that, you don't see any changes, but in the JavaScript console it is the best, one of the best things. So you can find out its value. If you are like making a cart on a website, you can add and remove from that data. So this is the work of that. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.